riders, it's Jason from the E-Scooter Co, and I hope you're doing well. So, finally landed in the UK, the Dualtron X2, the beast, the flagship within the Dualtron range. This is probably, plus our stock, the only ones in the UK. So we're very privileged to get hold of it and super excited, to the extent where every day the team's been driving me mental about trying to get this thing out of the box. Now, we're going to do something a little bit different because the unboxing on this is something quite unique, and it's a little bit of maybe a tutorial for anyone who's got one, is undo it from the bottom and then lift it up. But hopefully on our time lapse you'll be able to see what goes on, and then we'll do some close-ups and some more detailed stuff. So I'll hand you over to the best team in the business. Boys, take it away. Hi there riders, here we go, it's the Dualtron X freshly unboxed. So we're all stoked. We're going to take this out for a ride now, and then this coming week we've actually got a airfield booked out for the day, and we'll be pitting this against the Ultra 2, the Storm, the Wolf King, the Wolf Warrior, Chorus NF and the Panther. So we've got all the big boys coming out to play. And we're going to see, you know, our own opinions of it, and we'll give you a full analysis of, you know, what we like, what we think's the fastest, duration, distance, and so forth. So stay tuned for more information, and we'll catch up with you soon.